Hi, today I want to show you how to make this lotus flower. It's my newest model. Here you can see several versions, not really versions, but these big flowers and this one are made from 8 units. This one is made from 7 units, so it's not flat. The back side is not flat, you can see. And these two flowers are made from 6 units. They're even more conical, the bottom part. And all of this I can do because I found the cheating version how to connect the last units yesterday in the evening. Originally I made the video yesterday, but I wasn't very happy with it, and when I tried to remake it, my family came back, so it was very noisy and everything, so I have to stop. And then in the evening I was playing with all these, and then I was thinking, like, can't we just cheat to connect them? And then I tried this very simple way, and it quite works. So for people who are not patient enough, or whatever, if you have enough of trying to connect it in a regular way, you can use this cheating way, which I will show you. So let's go. The model is rather simple. The connection is okay, only the last, very last unit is difficult to connect in the original way. So you will need from 6 to 8 units to make a lotus, and I will start. This will be the prevalent color of the flower. If you want to use paper with dual color, you will see the other color here in between the petals, so it's not a big thing. You can see that this is prevalent color is gold, so the flower is almost all gold. So decide how you want to use it. This is the color, the prevalent color, more visible. So we start with one diagonal, and without unfolding we fold corner to corner. So we will have a small triangle. Now we bring the corner to this point, and we continue and bring the corner to this point. You can leave here tiny space because we will use that. Now turn around and repeat the same thing. So corner will go here to the right angle of the triangle, and then we go back. So it looks like this from the side. Now we unfold these two, and now we are going to bring this part to this folded line. So this corner will go around here, and as there are many layers, make sure you make really sharp crease, because some of these folds we will reverse. That's all what we need to do. And now we are going to open, as I show you. First we open this, then we open this, and we continue opening here. And now you can see here the square in the middle, and I will pop out this point from behind because I want to change this part of the line to be mountain fold, and later we will change also orientation of this line into valley fold. So first I pop out this point. You can see that as this is already mountain fold, we only need to reverse really this little part. And then when you see this movement, this line already starts to reverse. We have to finish it to be valley. Okay, then we bring this triangular flap in between to one side, and I am holding it here, and it should be quite automatic. We bring this in the center. You can see the triangle is here on this side, and now we only open so we see the color. This is the color of our petals, and this is the unit is prepared like this. You can see it has two petals, and in between there is this triangular part which connects those two units. So now I'll prepare 8 units like this. I will use smaller units for this. I will try to find where is my cheating connection so that we can easily unfold everything. I wanted to show you the flower from 6 petals, so it was easier to use what I already prepared, because I folded many of them and I didn't want to fold another one yesterday, so sorry for delay. Okay, so I have here 8 units. There are 2 different colors, so I will exchange. I will take one of those, and we will connect them. For connecting them, we will bring this little part on the left side. There's this triangular flap, and we will put it. I will show you first. I have to open this unit, but I still hold it here, the front petal on the left side, to not lose orientation. And I will bring this part, I turn it backward, and now I will bring it to here. Right now it looks strange, so don't worry. You see that here is mountain fold, same as here. So we just put it there to align nicely. And I now close this from top, and now I push this back, so I will see the petal completed with 2 petals here, 2 petals here, and I do nothing at this moment with this part. So there, 2 of them are connected. Now I will continue on this side. Always remember on left side, because it's easier, because this flap is free, and you can easily open the next unit. So I turn this backward as I did before, and I will open this unit. I keep some of my fingers here to not lose orientation, and now I bring it like here, like this. Okay, here you see the mountain. All other folds are valleys, so it should be quite easy to not get lost. So here is mountain fold, here is mountain fold. We align them and we put them together. Okay, now one last thing which it can happen. It didn't happen here to me right now, but sometimes it can happen that you will see here the ideal case is like you can see here that the edge of the inner flap, which we put inside, is just here aligned with this outer edge. So that's what we want. You can always check if the back side looks good. I can try to make it not well connected this time. Okay, so I open, I turn, I put mountain on mountain, and sometimes it happens when you are closing the unit that there will be tiny piece of that unit visible on the back side, and that we don't want. But it's quite easy to fix it. When you can just pull this unit down And you see, in the moment when it is hidden, it's fine, it's fixed. So now we attach another blue unit, because this one was red. I turn it over, I put it there at the same place. I try to put it directly to the good position so I don't have to correct it, but if it happens that you have to, there is no problem. It's easy check, there's easy fix. Now when we are coming to having 5-6 units connected, it starts to be too crowded here around the center, so it can be a bit harder to find the right position here, but I believe that you can manage. Now also this part, these triangular flaps of previous units interfere with us, so I just push them behind to not be in our way. Okay, we are going for a 7th unit now. As I said, now it's starting to be a tiny bit more complicated to find the right position. You can always check also from this side if they are aligned. This edge should be basically aligned with this continuation, this crease, the big unit. Okay, we are coming to the last unit. The last unit should be still okay, this first part. But as I said, this can be a bit, there is not enough place because there are already too many units, so sometimes can be easier to connect maybe only 6 units. And okay, we try. First I put it just like whatever, something like that, and now I will try to correct it. See? Okay, now it feels like it's in good position. Okay, and now comes the complication, and that is how to connect these units together. I will first show you the cheating version, okay? So bring this from the last unit, bring the triangular flap to the front, fold this back like this, so there are 2 layers, and now we simply put this triangle under here. Okay, there's a pocket, and we just like this, we will bring this under it. Okay, okay, it jumped out. I do believe, because we will still fix the back side, so I do believe that it will hold relatively well when we turn it over. Now you can see all these flaps here. We want to get rid of them to also stabilize the structure. So first just put some of them away. Now we fold this back, and here you can see this, there is a pocket, and you just push it inside that pocket. Okay, after you are done with the first one, okay, this starts to jump out. Not start, it's continue jumping out. We will see if it is with 6 and 7 units. It worked quite well, this cheating connection, but we see maybe for 8 it doesn't work. Okay, so slowly. Now I always try to round this a bit to facilitate the insertion. Okay, I will show you after also the front side. Sometimes it's it doesn't want to go there. You don't have to force it this time. We won't ask for consent because paper is not, can't really say anything. And you see now this was undone. That was my cheating connection. This would never happen if you weren't cheating, for sure. But okay, so now it's not that bad with this paper. If you look around, I don't think there is really something which is really off. This model has quite organic look because the petals are behaving a bit as they want. It's not strictly geometrical. The back side is really quite geometrical, but the front side there is some freedom for the paper, so it looks more like a nature form. Okay, and to show you how to connect how to make them not cheating, okay, we do the same. I just undo some of these because they can prevent us from the connection. It can be easier to connect just 6 of them or 7 of them with this cheating connection. Try. And if you are brave enough, you can try to connect them exactly in the same way how we connect them all around. But here the complication is that this unit is already blocked with the other units, so we can't easily unfold it without losing everything. But I will try still. So I unfolded a bit this. I open a bit that unit, and now this part has to go under this. It should be inside this white part in the end, and so you just have to bring it there in the right position. It's really not easy. I don't have any trick how to do it really in the way that that it would work easily. You just push it inside. Once you find a way, you just push it in, and it worked this time. So I can only wish you luck and patience with that. You see that it's here. You can see it's not perfect, but okay, I fixed it, and it's good. Now I'm going to put this back. And sometimes it really doesn't work perfectly, and what I wanted to say is that don't worry if you don't succeed, if it doesn't look good. Try again. Maybe it will work for the second time. You can disconnect something. You can try to connect just 6 units or 7 units until you are happy. And I hope that at least cheating connection will work for everybody who will try. So have some fun and let me know if you succeed. Bye.